Hey guys, Randomosity here, and today we're going to be attempting to fix an iPad screen. Okay, so here's the iPad, and I'm going to try and replace the screen on it. As you can see, it doesn't work, and right there on the left side of the home button is where you do not want to hit. There's a wire there. On the right side, upper right side, there's another wire, but it's not connected to the screen. Now here, I'm just going to heat it up very good with a blow dryer, and for time's sake, we're just going to speed through this. You may need a knife to start the corner, and then use a card because that'll keep from scratching the undercoating on the glass. Be very careful not to break the glass. You want to keep heating the glass as you open the edge up. Be careful around the camera there, not to hit that card as you slide the card through. Okay, and as you get the screen open, you carefully fold it to the left of the home button as to not damage the screen connector. Now I just undid the 4 screws that hold the LCD in. Checking the connections on the screen cable, and it works now. So now just tighten the screws back in, put the screen back on and heat it up really good, and that'll help it stick back in place. So this is the first time I've fixed an iPad screen, and it turned out to work. The whole process took about 15 minutes, and using a plastic card to get up the screen is definitely a good thing. That'll keep you from scratching your undercoating. Anyway, if you like this video, just subscribe and comment and like, and keep rolling with the random.